Hey guys, it's Rob here from Hypop. Just a quick demonstration on how to attach these lighting modifier rings to the AD400Pro. This is a common question because they've included these new adapter rings and allow you to interchange them between Elinchrom, Profoto, Broncolor and Bowens, which is standard and usually included in most boxes. So what we'll do is, they've got the adapter ring here that's included in the box. This one here is a Bowens adapter ring. That's not mounted when it first comes in the box. It'll be separate, it'll be a separate piece in the actual package. They also provide you Allen keys as well as some screws, these mounting screws here. What you'll find is there's a couple of screw holes here at the top of the mounting ring and also a couple at the bottom. They line up to the mounting holes at the top of the flash as well as the bottom of the flash here as well. And what you'll find is at the bottom of the flash they don't actually have screws attached. At the top they do. And what you have to do is actually unscrew those first as the first step. So that's the very first step. Okay, great. So we've got the two top screws removed. Now what we need to do is just line this up. And what you'll notice is the little release latch here on the side of the adapter ring, that lines up with the release latch on the side of the AD400Pro. So you just need to slide them on there. So those two mounting screws and mounting screw holes, they line up at the top and the bottom. Get those screws that you just removed and replace them to the top here. Okay, so the top screws are mounted. Now we just need to grab two more screws for the bottom. They actually provide you with 4 screws in the package, so there's a couple of spare screws there just in case you lose them. And putting them into position on the bottom. So just while you're screwing it in, make sure that they're tight enough, but not too tight, so you can obviously interchange your mounts if you need to. Just make sure it's secure, so that way the mount itself is secure, and if you mount any large soft boxes like a big octabox, the mount won't just slip off the actual flash itself. So this will allow you to mount all sorts of different Bowens modifiers, including soft boxes, barn doors, snoots, beauty dishes, all different lighting modifiers. Once again, the Broncolor, Elinchrom and Profoto mounts will be available soon with Godox. And that will allow you to use some of your modifiers if you've purchased some in the past. So that was the quick installation process. It's the same process for mounting all the different mounts that will be available with Godox, which include the Profoto, the Elinchrom and the Broncolor. It's really that easy. Thanks for watching.